so much trouble in the world today. Look at all the ops on your fucking gay Facebook lay. I don't join because of CISPA and shit. I already got fucking patrol cars cruising up and shit. What are you gonna do about it? Are you gonna join or are you gonna be a fake head? And I say this, I will fight till the end. I'd rather die standing tall than crawling through life. So here it is, you know, so many people dying. I see Jeff Duffy's fucking photos and I wanna cry. And then I do something about it. Let's try this. Do something each day without boasting. If we each did that, then the world would change faster. I guarantee this. I promise you that. It's come back to me tenfold. 100 pounds timefold. And you know what? I may be drinking and not making sense, but I know what I'm fucking talking about. I've been sober so long that I fucking just do what I do, please. This song fucking sucks. Need another one.